and welcome to the shed. In today's video we're going to be looking at rulers, straight edges and tape measures. Hope you enjoy. Let's jump in here and get started. Now there's a little bit of redundancy here when it comes to rulers. There's whole bunches of different types of rulers. These ones have metric and imperial on them. Just basic stainless steel rules. Not sure, these are just a standard, like from the supermarket sort of ruler. This one here happens to be in Spear & Jackson, which is just metric on both sides. I use this one quite a lot. It's more accurate than these ones, and it's actually a really good ruler. Then I also just have a little short 150mm Spear & Jackson here, which can be used for small work or if you're using the ruler trick when sharpening. So they're really the only options I've got there. You could also use wooden ones or plastic ones, but the stainless steel ones are the best, and I've found the Spear & Jackson ones to be the most accurate. They also have a 0.5mm measurement on one side, which is a little crowded to work with, and I don't tend to work with 0.5mm, but it's nice to know that. And I also have to mention, back with the squares, if you do have the combination square, you do have a ruler on here, so you might want to forego having those rulers, so that's just another option if you do have a combination square. Along with this, there is tape measures next. So this is just a standard, this is Craft-Rite one from the local big box store. It's good enough for just general measurements for cutting a panel to length or whatever, or a longer board to length. Now, because this is inexpensive, it makes sense to keep one of these construction ones. I also have this one here, which is from FastCap, and this, some of you will have seen me use this before. This is a flat-backed ruler. Now, on this one, this is dead accurate for measuring. If you've got a board like this, you can lie it straight on top and take your measurements. So if you don't want to have a ruler, one of these flat back ones from FastCap is actually really cool. And on this one, they've actually got this fixed in place. So this measurement is dead accurate. I've tested against every ruler that I own, and the measurements are dead accurate on this, and this metal piece does not move. So what's really cool about this is you could use this for measuring a bunch of different things, or just at your workbench for measuring your joinery out and things like that. So I like this. FastCap does have other ones like this that don't flex over and they can go longer lengths. They've got a bunch of different types available, so I'll leave a few links to them because I actually really like this one. This one also happens to have a built-in sharpener on there, and it's got this little whiteboardy stuff on here, so you can actually use a whiteboard marker on here, mark on here lengths and stuff, and you come back to the bench so you can remember them. So pretty useful bit of kit. And then straight edges. Now obviously you can use your rulers for small straight edges. The other option is you can use, if you've got some winding sticks. Now this was just a very basic winding stick, which is just a piece of pine, and these work pretty well for a straight edge if you need to sort of mark some straight lines. And these are obviously compact. The length of these is around 6'10", so these might not quite fit in the toolbox kit for the traveller kit. However, you can make these various sizes, like these Jarrow ones here, so it can be useful to have a setting winding sticks. It's not something that I included in the kit. It's just another option that you can use for a straight edge, because you're certainly not going to fit a metre long aluminium straight edge in your kit. You might have it along with you, but it's not going to fit in your kit, and so these are some options of things that you can just drop into your kit that have multiple options. So that concludes the rulers, tape measures and straight edges that I use. As I said, I'll leave a few links down below. What I'd like you all to do, if you like the video, head down there, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell and select all so you don't miss out on a whole load of these individual videos that I'm bringing out for this traveller kit. And while you're down there, do sound off in the comments with what you use with various brands and stuff. You can add some links down there, and I'll have to approve that. So if you do want to leave a few links there, I might be able to approve those for you, just to make sure that they're actually to the direct product. And if you'd like to see another great video such as the one I've seen here today, do check out the video just here, which I go through the Traveller's Kit. Bye for now.